Good morning. Good morning, Oh, look, she just went right past Melly. Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Ooh, wow, that's quick. You literally just flung the Frankenstein at me. You ready? Go. Oh, my goodness. They went Hermie. Oh, and look like Rosie, too. Riley's on a roll already. Huh? There's Orange Crush. There's a little dental chew. So good morning. Happy Wednesday, everyone. We hope everyone is staying warm. I think it's literally like 8 degrees outside. It's so cold. Oh my goodness. There's a little tapping feet. Ready? Go. Oh, good catch. Good catch. And there's Millie waiting. I thought literally she was going to play with her today. Yesterday we had Lucy and Hermie, right? How about someone else? Want to play with someone else? You want to go get Millie? How about we go get Millie? She's like, no, don't even think about that, Mommy. Okay. Ready? Go. Oh, good catch. Oh, my goodness. Oh, you're trampling all over Orange Crush. Here's Moo Moo and little Barney and Max. It's Wednesday hump day, so let's have a little party. Right? We're going to throw some toys. See if we can get Rylie away from Frankenstein for now. Come here. Let's play. Come on. All right, you ready? You want Barney? Go. Oh, nice. Oh, of course. Oh. What are you looking for? You ready? You want Miss Piggy? Ready? Go. Oh, nice catch. How about Momo? Yay! Max. Max is an absolutely adorable little puppy. Look at that face. You ready? Go. Oh, nice. You want Lucy? Ready? Go. Oh, good job. Oh, she's like, I don't want them. Oh, my goodness. She's bringing back the count. How about the twins? Do you want to play with the twins? Ready? Go. Nice. You want Rosie? Go. Oh, she's big. All right, we'll give you the twins one more time. Ready? Okay, ready? Go. Oh, oh my goodness. All right, you can have them back. All right, everyone. I guess Rylie decided from the moment she woke up to make some noise with Frankie. Right? All right, so we just want to say we hope you have an absolutely beautiful, blessed day. Stay warm. And most importantly, don't forget. What are you looking at? Huh? She's like, what's going on out there? Rylie loves you. Bye. Yay, good catch. Bye.